Kanpai!
Kanpai!
Okay, so it's the weekend, and you know what the weekend means? Laundry time. So yeah, gonna go do the laundry and thought I'd show you my struggle. Let's go. So I get that this means you have to put money in first, right? And then it does that. And then I think you're supposed to press this button. So I do that after a few seconds. Okay, that normally locks it, but for some reason it's not doing that. This is very confusing. I really wish I could read. I don't know. Maybe if it's not working I should just put the stuff in. I think I'll just put the stuff in. So it is turning. It's got about half an hour left, which is good. So I'm gonna go pick up my laundry that I did yesterday. It's really hot in here. So that's my laundry all folded and put away. And then now I'm just waiting for the other laundry to be done before I can hang that up and then leave it to dry. And so I'm drinking this, which is like every morning over the weekend, so Saturday morning, Sunday morning and Monday morning, the dorm gives us like 2 pastries, so like this, 2 of those and a carton of drink. And we've had like different types of fruit juice, and yesterday we had milk, and today we have like a carton of cold coffee. And this is actually super nice. It tastes like a mocha. It tastes super chocolatey, which is really nice actually. But yeah, I also want to tidy up my room because it's a bit of a mess, and I'm gonna head out because I need to get some money out for my textbooks, which we're gonna get on Monday. And then I also want to find a 100 yen store, because everyone around here keeps saying like, oh yeah, if you need this just go to the 100 yen store and get it. But like, none of us have been able to find one so far, which is really annoying because I do want to get some stuff, like just a little diary or calendar or something. And then there's supposed to be a 100 yen store called Daiso, I think, but that's supposed to be in Lalaport, which is like a 20-minute walk from me. And I've been to Lalaport several times and I've never been able to find this place, so I know we'll go on a Sunday adventure and try and find it. So yeah, that's the update for now. I'll let you know how it goes. Okay, so just done shopping at Lalaport, and I did find Daiso, so yay! I got some things that I needed, but it's really weird to find because it's like you have to go into the sports shop, and then from the sports shop you have to like go straight and then turn left like while you're inside the shop, and then the entrance to the 100 yen shop is inside the sports shop, which I don't know how I hadn't seen before because I've been in the sports shop. But there we go. And then I also found these like little Halloween buckets from like a 300 yen shop, and I got those, and like because it's Halloween month yeah, I'm just gonna fill those up with some sweets for everyone in my area in the dorms, and I'll just keep refilling them every week. Hopefully they'll like it. I'll get different stuff every week, because then hopefully everyone gets something they like. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little haul of what I bought. And first off, I went to Trial because I wanted to get some more Halloween sweets because I didn't think I had enough. But this is the smoothies I normally get. So there's an orange one and a green one, and there's also a white one, but I didn't get the white one today. And this is the normal packaging. And then I went there today and they have Halloween packaging. How cute is that? It's literally adorable. So yeah, I got my healthy smoothies. And then this is the like Halloween buckets I got, which is super cute. They're just two of the same, I think. And then I got these, which I think are just chocolate chip cookies. So yeah, pretty sure they're just chocolate chip cookies, so they should be good. These I got as well. So I'm guessing it's just something like sweet and either wafery or chocolatey and creamy, but again, they sound nice, so yeah, these are the sweets I got. So there's strawberry, lemon, orange and apple flavour, but these I'm kind of intrigued about because I can't tell the texture. Like, they feel really hard. I'm not sure if they're like those powdery type things, like refreshers or what. And then this is the matcha Kit Kats, which I actually just got because I wanted to try them. But I hope other people like them too, because it says that there's 12 in the pack and there's 6 of us in the group, so yeah. Also, the masking tape I got this to try and stick up some pictures in my room, and it's really cute. It's just like a bunch of animals. Super cute. So I'm excited for that. And yeah, that's about all I've done today. So the treat buckets weren't full enough for me, and also we got 2 different coloured ones, which is really cute. So I got some more snacks. It's got some Aero, some fruit jellies, some of these are like jelly beans, and umayabo in a few different flavours. And I also got these Kit Kat, which they say they're Halloween, so you know, I hope the small packaging is kind of Halloween themed, but I don't think it will be. But they're apple pie flavour and they're purple, so yeah, I'm just gonna split these up and mix them up. So they are Halloween themed and they have like writing on, so I guess you can write out your own thing, and there's little pictures. Honestly, these are so cute, and when I open this packet, inside it smells like apples. Like, it's really strange, but yeah. Let's divide these up then. And into the pot. Honestly, I love doing like Halloween stuff, but I never really do it anymore. I love dressing up as well, but I don't think I'm going to be able to do that this year because honestly, I don't have any of my Halloween stuff. I don't have any clothes I don't need that are here, so oh well. I don't have any of my makeup either, so I can't even, well, I have some makeup, but I can't do much. And I don't have like my liquid latex, so I can't do anything fun, but yes. There we go. That's what these are gonna look like. Hopefully people will like them. It's October 1st, and I gave out the sweet buckets for Halloween to my little area in the dorm, and everyone seemed to love them, which was really good. They're all super nice and really sweet. They kept saying thank you, and even after I gave it to them, they're like, are you sure it's okay for us to take them? Which was really cute. But yeah, that's about it for this week, and I'm not sure about next week. I'm thinking I want to go to Osaka soon. I want to go to some pet cafes. There's a dog cafe, cat cafe and owl cafe, all really close in Osaka, so one weekend I'm going to do that, but I think this weekend I'll see if any of my Japanese friends want to go anywhere. Anyway, till next week.